Hey everybody, just want to do another update video on my 706. You can see I now have the fenders and the rest of the parts painted that I need to. There's the wheel locks and the wheel bolts. I just got the first coat on tonight. We're going to shoot them again tomorrow, second coat. But definitely coming together, and I want to show you the progress on the tractor. I got all the white painted. It is now done and put back together almost, but kind of get some close-ups here so you can see some of this. But man, this tractor is definitely coming along really nice. I put new cap, rotor, plugs, plug wires, points, coil, complete all new ignition on it, new cable to run the tack, and you can see I'm putting stainless steel bolts in for all the hood bolts. Still got to take the center hood off yet to get the fan and everything back in. But yeah, this thing is really coming together really nicely. So I don't know what else to say, but man, that is just one beautiful tractor. Got the back wheels all done. They are now painted and ready to be installed. As soon as I get the wheel locks and bolts, everything dried. Like I say, I'll put another coat on them tomorrow night. But anyhow, for y'all want to see what this thing is now looking like. So I got the front wheel yet to paint, which I'll probably do it tomorrow night when I do the second coat on all my pieces. But before it gets dark, I gotta bring this stuff inside and the wheel dry inside. So leave me a comment and tell me what you think. Thanks.